Welcome to Slow Home Studio. Too many people live in badly designed houses, and we want to change that.
We've been looking at master bathroom design for the last month, and we're going to conclude with our fourth segment, which deals with bathroom details, specifically how one looks at tile.
Yeah, tile's a very interesting thing because too often in master bathroom design or any bathroom design, tile is just slapped onto the wall. You know,
just
like
slap.
Slapped onto the wall. and tile really wants to have a place to start and stop. That's really important. And you can design details so that the tile naturally looks like it's starting and stopping in a neat and organized way. And it actually adds a lot of depth to the bathroom design.
And it saves you money because you can reduce the amount of tile that you're using. So it works all the way around. Here, let's have a look again at our slide of our case study house. What we're going to be looking at first is this tile here, this lime green tile that runs on the back wall and comes over top of the vanity. So if we just look at this, at our design drawing here, you can see it in a little bit more detail, that about 6 inches above the top of the vanity, we stop the tile and we pull that all the way around to the corner and along on the edge. Now there's a hygiene reason why we would do that, why it's a good idea to have tile behind and beside the toilet. But if we think about it in terms of the detailing, what we wanted to do is stop the tile there. And so we did that by pulling this mirror out about 4.5 inches in front of that tile surface.
Yeah, let's look at a sectional drawing of this. You can see here that there's actually a box that contains the medicine cabinets and the mirror. And it is mounted to the wall at drywall stage. And it is, like John said, about 4 inches above the height of the vanity. And that allows an inside corner for that green mosaic to stop against. So what's really interesting is the green mosaic tile is very expensive. And typically you would just sort of go and tile the whole wall all around the window. Thousands of dollars. By doing this, you're actually providing a space for storage. You're providing the tile where you need it to be, which is the backsplash and around the toilet, but you're also saving a lot of money.
Right, and so the key for that is that you provide some sort of a piece that comes out so that the tile hits that inside surface and you don't see the edge of that tile joint where the tile starts and the drywall begins. Because aside, for people that don't go and spend thousands of dollars putting mosaic tile over the whole wall, they'll just put up 4 or 5 inches and then stop it, and you've got that uneven grout line, which really drives me crazy. That's right, it's the slapped edge.
Yeah, so let's have a look at the other side. So this is the dark tile that's around the tub and the shower, and that's the image of it. And here's the detail of it. Again, same principle. What we've done is we basically furred out the wall that is around the window about 1.5 inches, and we've cased it. And so what that allows is another inside corner that allows that dark tile to stop against. You'll notice that in all the wet areas, so around the tub and in the shower, because there's the line of the glass enclosure for the shower, it's completely tiled. But once we no longer need that surface for a wet area, we return it to a less expensive material like drywall or casing.
That's right, and what you get, if you think about it carefully and look at it visually, you're getting a kind of asymmetrical composition of drywall, casing, and tile that actually is quite nice. And for me, it feels like there's this very solid tiled surface, and then there's this veil or sheath of drywall that kind of folds over top of it and actually provides a kind of visual cohesion to this very small but important space.
So those are some ideas that we have on how you can detail a bathroom in your house. And next month, we're going to be changing gears and looking at another topic, outdoor design.
That's because it's spring.
Because it's spring.
See you then.
If you're interested in learning more about the principles of slow home design, you can pick up a copy of our book entitled What's Wrong with This House? It's a practical guide to finding a well-designed and sustainable home. It's available for sale on the Slow Home Studio website. It's also available for sale at Amazon.com in both paperback and the Kindle format.